Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and thank you for stopping by today. In today's video, I'm going to be making puff puff, and trust me guys, this is going to be basic. Like, it's going to be basic. We're just going to be making use of flour, yeast and sugar. No milk, no yogurt, nothing extra guys, just basic. So yeah, I have a lot of recipes of puff puff and other recipes on my channel. If you'd like to see them, kindly go on my playlist or just check in my description box. So guys, let's get started. Don't forget to like and subscribe. So let's get started. I'm going to be making use of 2 cups of plain flour. Yes, and in this video I just decided to sieve it, like sieve the flour, but it's not compulsory guys, because there was really nothing to sieve. But then if you know that the flour you are using is not so, you might need to sieve it, yeah, then please do so. So mine is actually clean, like very clean, so but I still sieved it. So I used 2 cups and 2/3 of a cup, yes, two whole cups of flour and 2/3 of a cup. Do you guys understand that? So yeah, so the next thing is to add the yeast, instant dry yeast. So I'm going to be using 2 tablespoons of yeast. So all the measurements of everything that I'm going to be using will be in the description box, so please don't forget to check it out. I used instant yeast, by the way. If you are using another type of yeast, you might have to activate it before pouring um in your dry ingredients. So the next thing, I added my sugar. Cinnamon is actually, I used cinnamon. You can also use nutmeg, and it is very optional. And then I added just half teaspoon of salt, and trust me, the chili flakes is also optional. So you see the cinnamon and the chili flakes, they are both optional, so you can just skip that process. But I am a Yoruba girl, I like pepper, that's why I always put pepper in my puff puff. So the next thing is to pour lukewarm water to mix the dry ingredients, not hot water, just lukewarm water. It is important to also do this process, and I'm just going to keep mixing. And guys, it is really important that you mix your butter and you make it very smooth. So you can actually use your hands, just make sure they are clean. You wash your hand and clean it. Yeah, wash your hands, and you can use it to mix the batter, but I just decided to use this a spatula. And then the next thing is just to cover it up and allow it to rise. Then after few hour, no, not up to an hour, like 40 minutes later, punched down the batter just to release the air and the bubbles, and before scooping it into the hot oil. So what I like to also do is that I don't like to scoop too much. I like my puff puff, like, I don't want it to be too big, so it's going to, like, it's a finger food, yeah. So I don't want it to be too big. So yes, so I'm going to gently scoop it with my hands, and then I'll be using my thumb and index fingers to press the batter downwards into the oil. So you guys, I'm going to be showing you in a moment. Can you guys see? I've taken this, so I took the batter, and then can you see that's my index finger and my thumb. So all I need to do is just to bend my hands and just press the batter using um my thumb and index finger to press it into the oil. And another secret to making your perfect puff puff is that don't mice your vegetable oil. So in my case, I'm still going to make use of this oil, so it's not like I'm just using it to fry this puff puff and then discarding it. I know some people are saying that we should always discard, but I don't do that. I'm going to be honest. So I'll still use it. So if you want that round, if you want to get that round, that round puff puff shape, that's what you should do. Use a lot of oil, like, and into your deep pan pot, or just use a lot. Or if you're using fry pan, just use a lot of oil, because if you don't use a lot of oil, like I always say in my puff puff video, it's just going to be flat. Like when you're trying to scoop the butter into the oil, it's just going to be totally flat. But when you put it into like the oil, like a vegetable oil or whatever type of oil you are using, if the oil is much, you're just going to see that when you scoop the butter into the oil, it will bounce, the puff puff will bounce up back. I don't know if what I'm saying makes sense, but those are the tips that I'm going to give you. And guys, trust me, this particular puff puff tasted like, you see that street one, because I didn't put all those I didn't, not even milk. You guys saw how we made it, just sugar, yeast, and the flour. So it really tasted like that Niger street snack puff puff that you buy on the road. That was how it tasted. It was so nice. Yes, and one thing again that I've noticed, that I don't know, maybe it's just me, but maybe because I'm in the UK, and I feel like there's something off about their yeast. So this particular yeast I'm using is from Nigeria. The yeast, maybe I'm the one not getting it, but I noticed that every time I use yeast from the UK here to make puff puff, I kind of get this what's it called, he gives me this bread texture. If you guys have experienced it, please let me know in the comment section, or maybe I don't know where to get the like right yeast for pastries like puff puff. And if you do and you're in the UK, kindly let me know in the comment section. So basically, this is what I'm just doing, just taking my butter, you guys, not too much, just so that the puff puff size is not too big, just scooping it, and that's just about it. Guys, if you are yet to subscribe, please don't forget to like and subscribe. It will mean a lot to me if you subscribe. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, so please guys, just hit the subscribe button, like this video. If you like the video, it will tell YouTube that, it would let YouTube recommend the videos to other people. So please kindly subscribe and like the video. And if you guys have other suggestions or videos you'd like me to do, kindly put it in the comment section as well. Yes, so guys, look at how beautiful this puff puff is. Look at how nice, like the shape, the color, the, you guys. And this particular day that this was filmed, it rained, so the weather was really cold. So add it with cold tea. It was just really nice. So if you want to do your puff puff and you don't have all those serere, you don't have all those milk, everything, you can still get, in fact, this is the best way, in my opinion. This is the best way to make puff puff, very straight to the point. And yes, you guys, look at it, you guys. Can you see, I even decided to show you guys the inside. Very nice and yummy. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.